these are the fridge storage containers, and let me show you how they look like. That is how they look like. So they come in a pack of 6, so I've got 3 right here, and the second part is here, so that's how they come in. You get 3 of them, and they are all different sizes. So this one on the outer side is going to be, of course, the biggest one, and the one inside is going to be the smallest one. So let me just like grab one and show you this in detail, just like up close. So as you can see, they are actually very good quality. Like this plastic is not like a cheap plastic that is going to like deform or like change its color. I would say that's like a very hard plastic that's not going to break very easily. Like I really would have to try really hard to like break it or like do something with it. Like there's absolutely no way I would be able to do that. So I mean, these organizers are meant for a fridge, but you can actually use them in many different uses. For example, you can use them by your desk to like put some papers in, put some notes in, put the things you don't need in. They can be also used for your bathroom, to like use to put all your skincare in here, for example, to keep it organized. It can be used for your cosmetics, to like put maybe all your lipsticks here, all your perfumes here, just anything you'd like. So there's like pretty much endless possibilities with these, and you can put them anywhere. And as I said, you get 3 different sizes, so at least one of them is going to be perfect for any of these things. So yeah, I would highly recommend these ones to anyone that likes to keep their home organized.